The iPhone 15 Pro might be one of Apple's best and greatest, but it's far from perfect. In fact, there are quite a few drawbacks you should know about before dropping your money on one. Let's break down the negatives only. Price tag. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at a very premium price. Even though Apple introduced titanium, it still costs significantly more than many Android flagships with similar or even better specs. Storage upgrades make it even pricier, and Apple still refuses to include fast-charging accessories in the box. Battery life concerns. Despite the efficiency of the S17 Pro chip, battery life isn't a huge leap forward. Heavy users, especially gamers or people using 5G extensively, may find themselves reaching for the charger before the day ends. Compared to some Android phones with 5,000 mAh batteries, the iPhone 15 Pro feels behind. Charging limitations. Apple finally switched to USB-C, but here's the catch. The regular 15 and even the Pro only support USB 2.0 speeds. Faster transfer speeds are locked to the Pro Max or require special cables. Charging speed is still capped at around 20 to 27 watts, much slower than many competitors offering 65 watts, 80 watts, or even 120 watts fast charging. Durability issues. Yes, titanium is lighter, but it also shows scratches, fingerprints, and scuffs more easily. Some users report color fading or uneven finish around the edges. The back glass is still prone to shattering if dropped, and repairs remain very expensive. Storage and RAM limitations. The base model still starts at 128 gigabytes, which feels small in 2025, especially for people recording high-quality ProRes video. RAM upgrades are conservative compared to flagship Androids, which limits multitasking and future-proofing. iOS restrictions. iOS is smooth, but it's also restrictive. No true customization, no side-loading of apps, limited file management, and Apple's tight ecosystem lock-in mean you can't use the phone freely like many Androids. Features like split-screen multitasking are still missing. Heating issues. Early users reported that the A17 Pro chip runs hot, especially during gaming or prolonged camera use. Apple patched some of it with updates, but performance throttling can still happen. Camera limitations. Great cameras, but the Pro, not the Pro Max, misses out on the new 5x telephoto zoom. Night photos still show more noise compared to some Android competitors like Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy Ultra. Limited customization in the camera app unless you use third-party software. So while the iPhone 15 Pro is powerful and shiny, it definitely comes with its share of drawbacks. High cost, average battery, slow charging, durability issues, and iOS restrictions. If you're thinking of buying one, make sure you're okay with these trade-offs. Otherwise, you might find better value elsewhere. Thanks for watching and subscribe for future videos.